Are you looking for the best tablets for photo editing? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Acer Spin 5 Convertible Laptop. Meet the new Acer Spin 5 touchscreens 2-in-1 laptop, 10th gen, a tablet computer with 13.5 Acer VertiView 2K 2256 by 1504 widescreen IPS LED backlit touch display to cover up the whole artistic activities. These Acer 2-in-1 laptop tablets are considered to be the best laptop for photo editing because of their wide screen, and it also considers to be the best gaming laptop because of their high-quality supersonic specs. Having a 10th Gen Intel Core i7-1065G7 processor and 16GB LPDDR4X of RAM has made extreme multitasking possible. You can now use any of the software with ease simultaneously. It comes with Acer Active Stylus that is universally compatible with all touchscreen displays. The Acer Active Stylus with Wacom AES 1.0 features 4096 different levels of pressure sensitivity, and precise strokes and movements provide the real feeling of holding a pen to paper. The stylus dock keeps it safe to get charged. With just 15 seconds, and the dock allows you to use it for up to 90 minutes. To keep your valuable docks, it holds a huge space of 512 GB that is more than enough. This Acer convertible laptop table for photo editing is a good choice for photographers because it can be their companion for almost 15 hours on a single charge. At number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 2020. Samsung is known for its brilliant engineering. Its latest Samsung tablet has the power of a PC and the mobility of a tablet. The next generation Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 is the best tablet for editing photos because it provides you a 2-in-1 feature. You can simply turn your tablet into a tablet computer by attaching the keyboard for its maximum and ultimate portability. With the ability of the S Pen that controls the presentation with a simple tap of a finger. It is integrated with a large 11 TFT LCD edge-to-edge screen that makes it a better option for sketching, drawing, extreme gaming, photo editing, and unlimited video chatting. It has got some other featured specs. Having octa-core, 3.09 GHz plus 2.4 GHz plus 1.8 GHz, 8 GB of RAM allows you to go for extreme multitasking. With these fascinating features, you will always feel it is one of the best Android tablets for photo editing. It has got a decent space with 128 GB that helps you to save your unlimited data, and the storage space can be extended by mounting a 1 TB of microSD card. The device is integrated with quality cameras to help you connect with your friends and family via video call or capture the best moment you are spending together. This Wi-Fi photo editing tablet runs the Android 10 OS that keeps the apps and device works perfectly. This tablet PC with 15 hours of battery life will be your perfect companion all day long. At number 3. Samsung Chromebook V2. Samsung has done a lot in the field of technology by introducing some of the amazing gadgets that actually help every niche of society. The 7th generation Samsung tablet computer is one of its kind for people who love to try their artistic capabilities. The Samsung Chromebook V2 is a complete package with a laptop to a tablet option. With the built-in stylus pen, you can now experience the power of the incredibly precise stylus pen that never needs to charge. With the stylus, writing, sketching, editing, magnifying, and even take multiple screenshots is very simple. When you check the Samsung Chromebook V2 review, you will find it a better option to go with. Let's have a look at the specs this Samsung tablet computer has got. For the boosted performance, it has got an Intel Core M3 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of internal memory is more than enough to save your important documents. To provide unlimited views, this Samsung laptop has got 2 cameras. This Wi-Fi Samsung Chromebook runs the Chrome OS that allows the device to go for seamless multitasking. It has got an integrated 13MP world-facing camera with autofocus to help you go for video calling with your classmates and clients on Skype meetings. To be with you for the whole day, it has a non-stop 10 hours of battery backup at a single charge. At number 4. HP 14BCA0010NR Chromebook X360. The HP X360 convertible touchscreen Chromebook is designed for real entertainment and is one of the best choices for photo editors. It has got 360 degrees of versatility and advanced 3D metal forming technology. The Chromebook delivers a thinner, lighter PC and a perfect blend of tablet PC with maximum user satisfaction. It is simply a complete range of entertainment for the complete family. Turn this HP Chromebook into a laptop when you require its services at the office and to a tablet when you are at home. Its narrow bezel, high-definition touch display, metal keyboard deck, and quality audio by B&O make this X360 Chromebook a better choice for real entertainment. Let's talk about the specs it got. For seamless and boosted performance, the X360 is integrated with the dual-core Intel Celeron processor and 4GB of RAM. The 4-in-1 X360 provides you the taste of different styles. 1. A laptop when you love to work at the office. 2. Enjoy watching movies or sketching in the reverse position. 3. Play any of the high-quality games like a pro in the tent position. And 4. The tablet for lighter activities. You can now access millions of apps on the Google Play Store to get maximum satisfaction out of it, and this convertible HP X360 Chromebook PC keeps you connected for over 12 hours of battery life. At number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. For photo editing, you must have powerful tools to add sound to any picture, and Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 is the name to get that job done for you. It's a slim metal body and ultra-powerful editing when you go for a designing task. Got a 10.4 ultra-wide display with 2000 by 1200 WXK Plus screen resolutions, offers an immense platform to try your creativity. It has got a touch screen that supports pen input. Now add fun to any of your or your friends' pictures with pixel sensitivity. Enjoy the best immersive sound with its quad speakers that play your best songs in Dolby Atmos surround sound. Let's have a look at the specs. For better processing, it has got an Exynos 9611 processor that is best for any of your device's supportive app for photo editing. Never miss trying better multitasking and security of your data, because it is loaded with 3GB of RAM and 64GB of memory that is best for getting the job done in no time. For extended memory, it supports a microSD card for up to 1TB. To keep your device run apps loaded on it seamlessly, it runs Android QoS. This photo edit Galaxy A7 has got a super fast charging Type-C port that can keep you enjoying without worrying about the battery getting drained off or dead.